Trying to get fit. I'm told weakness seeks comfort, and comfort breeds weakness. Start denying myself comfort. No extra blankets while sleeping. No junk food or excessive TV. Start identifying comforts I indulge in daily and cutting them out. Start to feel less weak. Getting more assertive at job. Co-workers starting to treat me with more respect. Invite a couple of them over for dinner. Open freezer to get out frozen tilapia I'll be cooking. The fridge jacket. .jpg. Co-worker sees. Try to explain it's just part of my new lifestyle and jackets are too warm and comfy. He just nods and walks into living room. See him whispering to other co-worker later that night. Fucking fridge jacket.